Welcome to Gunwal classes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome to Gunwal classes. I am KK Yadav. Today we will study in this video class 10th chapter number 3 linear equation. Solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method and substitution method. अगर आपने बेसिक्स नहीं चेक किया है प्लीज गो थ्रू दोज वीडियो. I have explained basics of elimination method and substitution method both. Here we will study both the methods in this question. Two equations are given. In elimination method, what we used to do, we try to equate the coefficients. X coefficient is 1, here 2. If we multiply this equation 1 by 2, the coefficient will become equal. If we multiply x plus y is equal to 5, we multiply this equation with 2. Why we multiply with 2? To equate the coefficients. To equate the coefficients. If we multiply with 2, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So this is, let's say, equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. If we subtract equation 2 from 1, on subtracting equation 2 from 1, जिस भी इक्वेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं उसका साइन चेंज होता है, तो इसका साइन चेंज होगा. It means this 2x and 2x will cancel out. Plus 3y plus 2y, 5y. 10 minus 4, 6. So value of y is 6 upon 5. Value of y is 6 upon 5. If you substitute the value of y here or here, you will get the value of x. अगर मैं यहीं पे वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा हूं y की, x plus y is 6 upon 5 equal to 5. X will be 5 minus 6 upon 5. If we transpose this to the right side, it will be negative. We have to take LCM here. So x will be 25 minus 6 upon 5, that is 19 upon 5. Now by substitution method, if I transpose this y to the right side, it will be x will be equal to 5 minus y. We substitute this value, this equation a in b. 2 5 minus y, I am substituting here. 2y 5 minus y minus 3y equal to 4. 10 minus 2y minus 3y is equal to 4. If you transpose this 4 to the left side and this minus 5y to the right side, we will get y is equal to 6 by 5. You are getting same value. If I substitute this value here, so x will be ये सेम आ गया आपका, x equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. We will take LCM. 25 minus 6 upon 5, x will be 19 upon 5. Answer will remain same. Answer will remain same. आप किसी भी मेथड से कर सकते हो, ग्राफिकल मेथड से कर सकते हो, एलिमिनेशन मेथड से कर सकते हो. इक्वेटिंग कोफिशिएंट भी इसी को बोलते हैं. एलिमिनेशन मेथड इज आल्सो नोन एज इक्वेटिंग कोफिशिएंट्स. हमने कोफिशिएंट्स को इक्वेट किया, इक्वल किया. नाउ कम टू नोट डाउन फास्ट. सेकंड, if you observe, this is minus 2y, this is 4y. Equate करना easy है. If I multiply this equation by 2, multiply this equation by 2, we will get 2 into 2, 4x minus 4y is equal to 2 into 2, 4. What we will do? We will add these two equations. Add करेंगे तो ये वाली टर्म कैंसिल हो जाएगी. This is 7x. This is 6. 10 plus 4, 14. X will be 14 upon 7, that is 2. So x will be equal to 2. If you substitute this value of x in this equation or in this equation, you will get the value of y. I am substituting here 3 into 2 plus 4y equal to 10. 3 to the 6. If you transpose this would be minus 6. So y is equal to 4 upon 4, that is 1. By equating coefficient method, you got this. Now by substitution method. By substitution, we will calculate the value of one variable. अगर मैं इसमें 2 कॉमन है, let's say this equation is given. If I divide the complete equation by 2, it means x is equal to minus y is equal to 1. X will be 1 plus y. Now I will substitute this value of x in second equation. यहां से तो हमने ये कैलकुलेट कर लिया. ये वैल्यू कहां सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे? अनदर इक्वेशन में. 3 1 plus y plus 4y is equal to 10. 3 plus 3y plus 4y is equal to 10, which is equal to 7y. If you transpose this to the right side, it will be minus 7y is equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7. 7y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 upon 7, that is 1. Both values are same. Y is 1, y is 1. X is, now substitute this value here. 1 plus 1, 2. X is 2. X will be 2. Note down first. Question third part. 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. 9x is equal to this. चलो स्टार्टिंग में हम करते हैं सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से. If I transpose this 9 to the right side, it will be divided by 9. Substitute x is equal to 2y plus 7 upon 9 in equation. In this equation we will get 3 times 2y plus 7 upon 9 minus 5y. I am transposing this to the right side, it would be 4. Now simplify this. 2y plus 7 upon 3 minus 5y is equal to 4. Take the LCM here. 2y LCM लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 15 minus 15y. अब ये जो 7 है मैंने पीछे राइट कर दिया बस, और कुछ भी नहीं किया. Now this 3 will be transferred to the right side. It is in denominator, it will be in numerator. As you transpose to the right side, it will be in multiply. When you simplify this, it is minus 13y. 4 3 12 minus 7. So y will be 12 minus 7 is 5. This is the value of y. ठीक है. Okay. If we substitute this value of y here, then x will be, if you substitute this value of y here, you will get x is equal to 2 5 upon 13, that is negative value, plus 7 upon 9, minus 10 upon 13 plus 7 upon 9. We will take LCM here. If we take LCM, it will be 13. It will be 13. 91 plus plus का 91 minus 10, minus 10 कर देंगे अगर हम, तो 81 बच जाएगा. 81 अपॉन 13 अपॉन 9, तो 9 कहाँ पे आएगा? यहाँ पे आएगा आपका. 9 से सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो इट वुड बी 9/13. तो वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 9/13. अब करते हैं हम एलिमिनेशन मेथड से. इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन विद 3, तो 3 into 3 9, here 9, तो इक्वेट हो जाएगा कोफिशिएंट x का. I am multiplying this first equation by 3, so it would be 9x when you multiply this minus 15y equal to 12. Equation number A. If I transpose this to the left side, this term only, 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Equation B. If I subtract, then change the sign, this will cancel out. We left with minus 13y is equal to 6 5. So y will be minus 5/13. Same value. If you substitute this value, here or here, you will get same value. Let's say I am substituting here. So 3x minus 5y minus 4. If you transpose to the right side, it will be plus 4. When you simplify this, minus and minus become plus. 25 upon 13 is equal to 4. As you transpose this to the right side, it will be negative. You have to take LCM here. 13 4 is 52. 52 minus 25 upon 13. If you find the difference, 12 minus 5 7, 4 minus 2 2, 27 upon 13. Now if you transpose this 3, it will be in divide, so x will be 27 upon 13 into 3. So value of x is 9/13. Same value. Please note down fast. Fourth part of question first. X upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1. X minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. This is given to you. We have to find the value of x and y, both the methods. Here we will calculate the value of x. If you transpose this term, so x will be 3 plus y upon 3. Y upon 3 means you have to take LCM. So this will become 9. This would become 9 plus y upon 3. तो ये वैल्यू हो जाएगी x की आपकी. We will substitute this value of x here. 9 plus y अपॉन 3 ऑलरेडी है और अपॉन 2 भी है यहाँ पे, तो ये मल्टीप्लाई में होंगे, प्लस 2y अपॉन 3। अब यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर अगर इक्वल करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको, -2 से मल्टीप्लाई, सॉरी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, मल्टीप्लाई विद 2, डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया। अब वो 6 जो है डिनोमिनेटर, यहाँ पे क्या है y प्लस 4y। अब ये वाले टर्म को, कांस्टेंट टर्म को मैं बाद में राइट कर रहा हूँ। नाउ मल्टीप्लाई दिस 6 हियर, y प्लस 4y 5y प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू -6। इफ यू ट्रांसपोज दिस तो 5y इज इक्वल टू -6 minus 9, that is -15। तो y इज इक्वल टू -15 upon 5, that is -3। तो y is equal to -3. If y is equal to -3, we will substitute this value here. If we substitute this value here, x is equal to 9 plus y upon 3. So x will be 9 minus 3 upon 3. X will be 6 upon 3. That is x is equal to 2. Value of x is 2. अब सेकेंड मेथड से कर देते हैं, बाय इक्वेटिंग कोफिशिएंट्स। अगर मैं 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूं, डबल कर दूं, तो ये 2 डिवाइड में है, तो क्या हो जाएगा, कट हो जाएगा 2। इट मीन्स x, तो यहां पे भी x है। मल्टीप्लाई x बाई 2 प्लस 2y अपॉन 3 इक्वल टू -1 बाय 2। मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाई 2। अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा आपका, 2 मल्टीप्लाई x बाई 2 प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2y बाई 3 इक्वल टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई -1। तो क्या आ गया आपके पास, x प्लस 4y अपॉन 3 इक्वल टू -2। इक्वेशन ए। इक्वेशन बी क्या गिवन आपको, x माइनस y बाई 3 इक्वल टू 3। इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट लोअर इक्वेशन फ्रॉम, we are subtracting b from a, you have to write from subtracting b from a. We are subtracting equation b from a, so this will cancel out. If you add them, 4y plus 1y, 5y upon 3, this is -5, so y will be -5 into 3 upon 5, that is -3. You are getting same value. If you substitute this value in equation 1 or in equation 2 or in equation A or in equation B, you will get the same answer. Let's say I am substituting in A. I am substituting here x plus 4, value of y is -3 upon 3 is equal to -2. This 3 will cancel out. So x minus 4 equal to -2. X is equal to -2 plus 4. X is equal to plus 2. Value of x is 2. Same value. Note down. Question number 2. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problem and find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1, it becomes, if we only add 1 to denominator, what is the fraction? Reduced to 1 means, reduced to 1 means Okay, we will cover this in next video. Fifth part, root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0, root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. Two equations are given, we have to solve by substitution method. What we will do, root 2x equal to, we transpose this to the right side, minus root 3y. This root 2, we have to transpose this root 2 to the right side, it will be divide. So this is the value of x which we have to substitute in equation 2. Equation 2 is root 3x minus under root 8y equal to 0. Put or substitute x is equal to root 3 by 2 y in equation 2. This is equation 2. When we substitute this value here, we will get root 3 bracket root 3 by root 2 y minus under root 8y equal to 0. When we open this bracket, root 3 multiply with root 3 is 3 upon root 2 y minus root 8 y equal to 0. Denominator is 1. We will take LCM. LCM is root 2. LCM is under root 2. 3y minus under root 2 multiply under root 8y equal to 0. When you multiply root 2 here, it will be 0. When you multiply root 2 with root 8, it will be under root 16. Under root 16 is 4y. So 3y minus 4y equal to 0 minus y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. When you substitute this value here, x will be 0. Again, both x and y are 0. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? When y is equal to 0, this term will be 0. Then root 2x is equal to 0. It's only possible when x is 0. Note down. Come to next part, part 6. 3x upon 2 minus 3y upon 3 equal to minus root 2 minus 2. X upon 3 plus y upon 2 equal to 13 upon 6. Same way, we have to solve by substitution method. 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 equal to minus 2. You can take LCM. If we take LCM, 3 into 3, 9x, 2 into 5, 10y equal to minus 2. LCM goes 6. We multiply here. This 6 will multiply here in next step. Not right now. We will multiply this 6. 9x equal to 2 into 6, 12. This will become plus 10. Then x equal to 10y minus 12 upon 9. We will substitute this value here in this equation. We will substitute x is equal to 10y minus 12 upon 9 in this equation. If I substitute here 10y minus 12 upon 9 upon 3 is also there. Upon 3 means here, plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. We substituted this value in equation number 2 in place of x. We got this. Now 9 into 3, 27, and here 2. We will take LCM. LCM is 54. We have to multiply with 2. 2 times 10y minus 12 plus 27 times y equal to 13 upon 6. Now, when we open this bracket, 10 into 2, 20y minus 12 into 2, 24 plus 27y equal to 13 into 54 upon 6. We transpose this 54 in numerator. When we simplify this, it will be 9. 13 into 9 is 117. 20y plus 27y, that is 47y, minus 24 will become plus 24. When you add them, 4 plus 7, 11, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 1. So 47y is equal to this. 7 3 of 21, 4 3 are 12 plus 2 to 14. So y is equal to 144 upon 47, that is 3. So y is equal to 3. If we substitute this y in equation number 1, we will get the value of x. 30 minus 12, that is 18 upon 9, that is 2. So x is equal to 2. Note down. Next part, next question, question number 2. Question number 2, solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Okay. First of all, we have to solve these two equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 11. This is equation number 1 given to us. We will solve by substitution method. 2x equal to 11 minus 3y. X is equal to 11 minus 3y upon 2. So this is the value of x. We substitute this value of x in equation number 2. Here 2 into 11 minus 3y upon 2 minus 4y is equal to minus 24. 2 cancel with this 2. 11 minus 3y minus 4y. 11 minus 7y is equal to minus 24. When you transpose this minus 7y to the right side and minus 24 to the left side, it will be added here. 35 is equal to 7y. So y is equal to 35 upon 7, that is 5. So y is equal to 5. When we substitute this value here, so x will be 11 minus 3 into 5 upon 2, that is 11 minus 15 upon 2, that is minus 4 upon 2, that is minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. Now we have to find the value of x and y, then we have to substitute here. Y is given, we calculated y, 5. We have to calculate the value of m. We know the value of x is minus 2 plus 3. So 5, this 3 will be transferred to the left side, it will be minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. This will be 2 minus 2m. Now we transpose this minus 2 to the left side, it will be divided by minus 2. So m will be minus 1. We have to calculate, find the value of m. Value of m is minus 1. Note down. I hope it's visible now. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. Difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Okay, what is given? Difference between two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Look here. Let larger number be x, let smaller number be y. ATQ, according to question, what is given to us? Difference between two numbers, larger minus smaller, is 26. Equation number 1. One number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. Here is the catch. Larger number is 3 times the smaller number. Larger number is 3 times the smaller number. It means larger number is x. X is 3 times the smaller number. 3 times the smaller number. If we multiply with smaller number, if we multiply smaller number with 3, we will get larger number. If we multiply this, we will get this. So this is equation number 2. If we substitute equation 2 in equation 1, this time we are substituting equation 2 in equation 1. So 3y minus y is equal to 26. 3y minus y is 2y. 2y is equal to 26 and y is equal to 26 upon 2. That is 13. Y is equal to 13. So x will be, now we will substitute here, x will be 3 times y. Y is 13. So x is 39. So two numbers are 13 and 39. Two numbers are 13 and 39. Difference is 26 and larger number is 3 times of smaller. Note down. Come to next part. The larger of the two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree. Two equations are given. Visible hai? Yeah. Supplementary. What do you mean by supplementary? Sum of two angles is 180 degree. Sum of two angles is 180 degree. X, let the smaller angle be x degree. Let larger angle be y degree. So supplementary means sum is 180. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 1. Exceed the smaller by 18 degree. Exceed the smaller by 18 degree. It means y is larger angle. Exceed the smaller. If we add 18 to the smaller, we will get larger number. If we add 18 to the smaller, we will get larger number. This is equation number 2. We substitute equation 2 in equation 1, we will get x plus y is x plus 18. X plus x, 2x. If you transpose this plus 18 to the right side, it will be minus 18. 180 minus 18, that is 164. If you subtract, it will be 162, not 64. When you simplify this, it will be 81. It means x is 81, then y is 18 degree more. When you subtract 10, it will be 170, 162. Half of 162 is this. ठीक है. If you substitute here 81 plus 18, which is equal to 99, you can cross check by adding them. 81 plus 99, 180. So this equation is satisfied. This is also satisfied. So this will be your answer. Note down fast. Third part, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bat and 6 balls, 4 rupees this. Let cost of one bat is equal to rupees X. Let cost of one ball is equal to rupees Y. ATQ according to question, 7 bats plus 6 balls equal to 3800. Later, C buys 3 bats and 5 balls, 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. 1750. If let's say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From equation number 2, we will calculate the value of any one variable. Let's say we are calculating the value of x 1750 minus 5b. X will be 1750 minus 5b upon 3. This is the value of x in terms of y. In terms of y. This is y here. This is y here. This is y here. Now, we substitute this value we calculated from this equation. We will substitute in second equation. 7 bracket start 1750 minus 5y upon 3 plus 6y equal to 3800. When you simplify this, multiply with 7. 7 5 is 35, 3 carry, 49 plus 3, 52, 5 carry, 12 minus 35y upon 3. If you take LCM, it will be 18. We take LCM, we multiply this number with 3. Now this 3 will multiply here. 12250 minus 35y plus 18y. Look here, you can assume this number as 40. 40 into 3, 120, but 2 is less. 3 2 is 6. If we subtract 6, it would be 120 minus 6, 11400. Or 3 4 is 8 3 is 24, 2 carry, 9 plus 2, thus. Now, when you simplify this, it will be minus 17. Minus 17 y. If you transpose this term, it will be negative minus 12250. 0 minus 0, 10 minus 5, 3 minus 2. If you okay, this number is greater. Look here. 0 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 12 minus 4, 11 minus 11, you left with this. So y will be minus 850 upon minus 17. If you simplify this, you will get y is equal to 50. If y is 50, you will substitute here 50 into 5, 220, 250. 50 into 5, 250, 250 minus करेंगे 1500, 1500 upon 3, 1500 upon 3. We substitute this value here in place of y. 50 into 5, 250, 250 minus किया 1500, 1500 upon 3, 500. तो ये स्टेप आपको लास्ट में करना है. मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं था इसलिए मैंने ये यहाँ पे कर दिया. तो cost of one bat is rupees 500, cost of one ball is equal to 50 rupees. You have to write cost of each bat is rupees 500, cost of each ball is rupees 50. Note down fast. The taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charges together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for the journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155 km. What are the fixed charges and charges per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? This is given to you. Okay. What you have to assume? Let fixed charges be rupees X. Let variable charges be rupees Y. Fixed cost plus variable cost is equal to total cost. Now here, for a distance of 10 km, the charges paid is rupees 105. 10 km के लिए क्या पे किया? This. And 15 km के लिए charge क्या पे किया? This. What are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? X plus 10y is equal to 105. X plus 15y is equal to 155. This is given. Fixed cost plus variable cost. But here you have to observe this carefully. What is given here? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? If you calculate the value of x by transposing this term to the right side, we will get x is equal to 105 minus 10y. We will substitute this value here. This would be 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 155. If you simplify this, this would be 5y. If you transpose this 105 here, it will be 50. 50 upon 5, y is equal to 10. 50 upon 5, that is 10. So variable cost is 10 rupees. Variable cost is 10 rupees. If you substitute this variable cost here, it would be 100. 10 into 10 is 100. 105 minus 100, 5. So x will be 5. When you substitute this value here, in y, this value here in y, 10 into 10 is 100, 100 minus 105, 105 minus 100, that is 5. So fixed cost is 5 rupees, variable cost is 10 rupees per kilometer. You have to tell the cost for 25 kilometer. Equation would be x plus 25y, value of x is 5, value of 25 into 10, 250. So this would be 255 rupees. Cost for 25 kilometer rupees 255. No down cost. Fifth part. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Initially, fraction becomes 9 by 11. Let numerator be, let numerator be n, let denominator be d. Therefore, fraction would be numerator upon denominator. Now, ATQ, according to question, 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. Numerator plus 2, denominator plus 2. किसके इक्वल होगा? If fraction becomes 9 by 11. So which would be equal to 9 by 11. So this is equation number 1. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, equation number 2, added 3 to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Equation number 2. Two variables are there. If we cross multiply them, we will get equation 11 multiply n plus 2 would be equal to 9 times d plus 2, 11n plus 22 equal to 9d plus 18. If I transpose this term here and this constant term to the right side, 11n minus 9d equal to 18 minus 22. This would be equal to 11n minus 9d equal to minus 4. Same way we will calculate for 2. This 6 will multiply here and 5 multiply with d plus 3. Let's say 6n plus 3 equal to 5 times d plus 3, it would be equal to 6n plus 18 equal to 5d plus 15. If you transpose this to the left side, 6n minus 5d equal to 15 minus 18, which is equal to minus 3. 6n minus 5d is equal to minus 3. Now we will solve these two equations. Let's say we calculate the value of n from here. 11n is equal to minus 4 plus 9d. 11n is equal to minus 4 plus 9d upon 11. We will substitute this value in this. अगर आपको स्टेप स्किप करने थे तो आप ये कर सकते थे, यू ट्रांसपोज दिस 22 हियर. आप 22 को ट्रांसपोज करते थे तो क्या होता? माइनस 22. वी विल लेफ्ट विद माइनस 4. तो 11n इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4 प्लस डी, यहीं पे आ जाता है इस नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आपका. देखो, आप ये कर सकते थे, अगर इतना ये स्टेप स्किप करना है, यू कैन स्किप हियर. 11n is equal to 9d plus 18 minus 22. तो n would be 9d minus 4 upon 11. Let's say this is A, equation A. I'm substituting this equation A in this equation. Let's say this is equation B. I'm substituting this equation A in equation B. We will get 6 times 9d minus 4 upon 11 minus 5d is equal to minus 3. 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 54d minus 24 upon 11 minus 5d equal to minus 3. If you take LCM here, it would be 54d minus 55d minus 24 upon 11 is equal to minus 3. In next step, we will multiply this 11 here in numerator. Minus 33, इसका डिफरेंस आया minus d. Difference is minus d. This minus 24 will be transposed to the right side. Minus 33 plus 24. When you subtract this, it would be minus 9. Minus d is equal to minus 9. तो d is equal to 9. d की वैल्यू क्या आ गई आपकी? 9 आ गई. d की वैल्यू 9 आ गई, सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे यहाँ पे. 9 इंटू 9 81. 81 माइनस 4 77. 77 अपॉन 11. तो n की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी आपकी? n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 7. After substituting this value here, we will get n is equal to 7. So number is, what was the number? This was a number, numerator upon denominator. Numerator is 7 and denominator is 9. So initial fraction was 7 by 9. Find the fraction was 7 by 9. This was your answer. Note down. Last 5 years, hence का मतलब after 5 years. Hence का meaning होता है after 5 years. Ago means before 5 years. Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob was 7 times that of his son. Let present age of Jacob be x years. Let present age of his son, Jacob's son, be y years. I hope it's clear. 5 years ago, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. ठीक है. Look here. After 5 years, and before 5 years, before 7 years, before 7, before 5 years, look here. Jacob age is x. After 5 years, it will be 5x. Son age is y. After 5 years, it will be 5x. ये son के लिए है, ये Jacob. Same here. x minus 5, y minus 5. कोई डाउट है यहाँ तक? Is there any doubt? Jacob plus 5 after 5 years, he will be 5 years older. Son will be 5 years older. 5 years before, 5 years smaller, 5 years smaller. Now 5 years hence age of Jacob will be 3 times. Jacob is 3 times, it means you have to multiply the son. To equate them, we have to multiply the age of son. Same here, we have to, who is 7 times? Jacob is 7 times. So we have to multiply this with 7. If you simplify this, x plus 5 equal to 3y plus 15. If you transpose this 3y to the left side, it will be x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5, that is 10. X minus 3y is equal to 10, equation number 1. Here we will get equation number 2, x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35. X minus 7y is equal to 35 plus 5. So this was negative. We left with x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Equation 2, we will substitute this value of x. Value of x was, if you transpose this 5 to the right side, it would be minus 5. So x was 3y plus 10. Substitute this value of x here in equation 2. 3y plus 10 minus 7y is equal to minus 30. 3y minus 7y minus 4y is equal to minus 30. We transpose this minus 30 to the left side and minus 4y to the right side. 10 plus 30 is equal to 4y. 40 is equal to 4y. So y is equal to 40 upon 4, that is 10. So y is equal to 10. If we substitute this value here, 30 plus 10, 40. X is 40. So Jacob is 40 years old and son is 10 years old. Note down. Okay, this was the last question. Thank you. I hope you understood the chapter exercise completely. Keep learning with Gunwal classes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gunwal classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.